Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will solve a common issue that many website owners face. Error establishing a database connection. Whether you are running a website or another platform, this error can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we will walk you through the steps to identify and fix this problem. Let's get started. This error means your website can't talk to the database. It could be because of wrong database details, a broken database, or server problem. First, check your database details, the database name, username, password, and host. For WordPress user, this in the wp-config.php file. Let's open the file and check. We can see that we haven't entered the database connection information yet. Now let's gather the necessary details from the database. Let's head over the database to get this information. Now you need to find your database name. In our example, the database name is Ahnavarif. If you want to enter information here, you must change the file name. Simply convert wp-config sample to wp-config. So we have collected our database name. Next, we need to gather the database username and password. Let's collect this information. To collect the database username and password, we need to open the database. First, open the privileges section, then edit. Click on the login information. Here you can see the details. The username is root and password is blank. Now I am collecting the information here. The username is root and password is blank. I am going to start again from the WordPress installation and I will enter the information there. So let's open the WordPress installer. So I have entered all the information here correctly and now let's submit it. Everything is fine. Now you can enter all the information about your website, title, username, password, and your email address. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestions to improve my video quality, don't hesitate, just comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.